Hi, my name is Amar, and today I have my friend all the way from Spain, Gonzalo Cruz, who is working as account executive at Salesforce. Since everybody's talking about Claude Code lately, Gonzalo, when we were talking about something really innovative.
Hello guys, I'm Gonzalo, account executive from Salesforce. These last days, I have been playing with Claude Code, and I just figured out one use case just to gather LinkedIn URLs from community members from Slack. Here's a quick overview of the entire workflow.
How to scrape Slack channel members and get their LinkedIn URLs with Claude Code and Exa.ai.
This is a use case that is pretty accessible because Exa.ai gives you $10 just to try the API. First, we gotta make sure that we have an active Claude Code subscription. You will be able just to access Claude Code, also with Coworker and the chat pack. In the case of Exa API, you will have $10 free just to test out. With Claude Code, what we are gonna do is to provide the API documentation and all the keys just to make sure that Claude Code has all the context just to execute in a smooth way all the requests and the API calls. And then we will need Claude Code just to get into our browser. So we have to make sure that we have the Claude Code sidebar in Google Chrome. I will show you where can we find this extension, how to download it. Also, will be important just to have a Slack channel where our ICP lives in, just to make sure we have a qualified list just to scrape. Not all the members in the Slack channel, we have a description. Having that in mind, we will get the list of the members that have a description, just talking about the role or something related to that. Once it's finished, we will be running another layer of enrichment, which will be an Exa API, we call, just to search for all the possible LinkedIn URLs and then turning it all into a CSV. Then it's up to you just to add another verification layer in Clay or Databar.
With Exa, okay.
Then we go here. Okay, this will be the first step, just to make sure that we have, okay, we give the permissions. Without this extension, Cloud will be unable just to make any action in our browser. There are some docs, and once you download it and you have an active subscription, Cloud will be able just to open new windows and edit content in any window. Now it's creating some kind of documentation reference. Once we got the documentation, APIs, and the extension, now it's time just to bring the access.
Okay. Yeah.
Here we are, Rev Genius channel. Let's make a try. We gotta target the ones which got any kind of description, LinkedIn URL or role, context to Exa, just to check with name and surname the most possible LinkedIn URLs. Let's go here.
Get this URL to Claude Code.